common name is Shiyeri or Shishu, lit. Shea tree, in the Bambara language of Mali. This is the origin of the English word, the primary pronunciation of which is rhyming with T. Although the pronunciation rhyming with is common and is listed second in major dictionaries. The tree is called Gariti in the Wolof language of Senegal, which is the origin of the French name of the tree and the butter, karité. That grows naturally in the wild in the dry savanna belt of West Africa from Senegal in the west to Sudan in the east, and onto the foothills of the Ethiopian highlands. It occurs in 21 countries across the African continent, namely Benin, Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Chad, Ethiopia, Eritrea, Ghana, Guinea-Bissau, Ivory Coast, Mali, Niger, Nigeria, Senegal, Sierra Leone, South Sudan, Togo, Uganda, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Kenya and Guinea. A tester found at the site of the medieval village of Suga is evidence of shea butter production by the 14th century.